all. Today we will see this. We will draw the third angle projection for this given diagram. Okay. So first of all, see the dimension. If you talk for the top view, this portion will come. So this will be total 80 out of 80. This will be the 21, 20. Okay. If you see this side, so it will become 20 plus 20 plus 60 plus 20 plus 20. Means it will be 60 plus 40, 100 plus 40, 140. Here it is 40, 40. Okay. So let us start our drawing. Okay. So first we will draw the top view. So let us take the line. Let me switch on the ortho mode. So first of all, come out from the command. Switch on the ortho mode. So with that, it will suggest to move only to the 90-degree line. It means always it will be 90, 180-degree line. Our cursor will suggest to draw always. Okay. So the height will be, you see here the height 80. So let's make it 80. Okay. Line 80, a line of dimension 80 is available to us. Now we require, here see here, 20 plus 20 plus 60 plus 20 plus 20, it means 140. So 140. Okay. Enter. Next, again 80. Now see, you have to take a turn to draw this. See, this is the dimension of 20. So to draw this, I'll go with 20 here. Okay. The 80 minus 60, that will be 80 minus 20, that will be 60 here. In here 20 will reduce from the both sides. So initially the bigger line was, this line was 140. Now it will be 20 from both sides reduced. Okay. Now again it will be the same line of 60. Okay. Next again come to draw this one, this portion. So again let's take a turn. 20. Again the 20 will get reduced, so it will be, initially it was 80, then 20 reduced 60. Now it will be of 40. Now it will be of, again 20 from both sides reduced, that will be 60. Now come to the 40 and complete it. Come out from the command by pressing enter. Now take the line and close this also. Okay. Now this is our top view. Our top view is ready. Now come to the front view. So front view, this and this will be visible, and this back yellow one. Okay. So we have to draw this three, one, this back one, two, and this three. Okay. So let me take the line projecting from this, and we have to draw a line of 40. Okay. Now take a turn, and we have to turn for the 20. Again we require 40. Okay. Now again, now see, okay, this is the from here to here it is a 40, but you have to go till here. See this line, so for 40 plus this will be the 20, so we will draw a line of 60. Now take a turn of 20. Now again require 20. Okay. Now I have to complete it, so we'll complete till here. So this line, it will be equal to this line, so this will be 100. Now come down to the 20, and similarly we have to see, I'm drawing according to the dimensions. Now close it here, take a one line, close it here to here. Okay, press enter, come out from the command, again take a line, repeat line. This will also be a close line. Okay, press enter, come out from the command, again repeat the line. This also be visibly as a closed line. Okay, so now it becomes the front view, since we are looking from this way, this side, from this side. Okay, now we have to draw the right side view, then we will go for the dimensioning. Okay, in right side view, what will come? This green color part, this green part will come, this one box, and this then the lower box also will come as a rectangle. This two rectangle will come with a dimension. See, this dimension means 80. Okay, and here if top to bottom also you will see 40 plus 40, that will be 80. Okay, so take a line from here, draw 80, come down to 80, 80, close it on 80. Okay, so see at 40, see at 40 half of the this, there there is a section, one line will come between that. So it is a 80, line of 80, so this is the center midpoint, and midpoint to midpoint 40 to 40, this has been matched. Okay, so this became a right side view. Okay, now come out from the command by pressing enter. Now we have to go for the dimension, so go here, select the dim style. Okay, style, this one, dim style, see this one. Okay, now go to the modify. You have to modify according to the our users, like color, let me choose the yellow, so this lining has become yellow. This spacing is okay. Let me change the extension line color. See, this extension line color has been become yellow. Okay, symbol and arrow, there is no name, or let me change to 3. Text also, let me change to yellow, or you can change your base like red, so let me take no color. Okay, okay, close it. Now go to the dimension, just press it here and extend it, that will be your dimension. Okay, here to here, this was the easy one. Okay, wherever the dimension is required, you may just press it and extend it. Okay, here also window the dimensioning, or we can for this type of shape you can tilt this, uh, since it is looking like this dimension has been inserted in this part, so you can tilt this by going to the property. That is a very easy thing. So this is the dimension part. Here also dimension look like this is the 80. Try to dimension it with a very minimum. I mean to say that the minimum number of dimension by which you can recognize your identical figure, that will be a better. uh, like that I have dimensioned it so many. This 140 is unnecessary since it is showing that it is a 140, so this is unnecessary. I have just shown to you how to dimension it. Otherwise try to minimize the dimensioning, the requirement of dimensioning. Okay. Thank you for this. Thank you for the day.